What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I would like to share with you my top process of trading live. So we'll see if the actual trade will represent itself. I'm gonna explain real quick what I'm thinking about this trade. Yeah, so basically here was a break of structure on the London session. Yeah, right now is New York session started. Yeah, so basically what do we see? We build like the kind of liquidity and we kind of break the structure. We break this structure, we break this structure, even this structure, and even this structure. Yeah, so basically we kind of, I assume like we're going to the downside. Right now the price action retracing, but look at this huge bullish candle. It seems like it's too much, um, too much buys involved in this candle. So I have to wait first to see if the price action will gonna come back down and show me some sort of evidence like it wants to go to the down. Because with this bull candle is very risky to grab a buys sells right now. So I'm gonna wait the price action to show me some evidence like it wants to go down, then I'm gonna take sells right here. If just in case the price action will gonna go to this area, yeah, and from here is gonna give me evidence, something like that, yeah, then I'm gonna take sells from here, and I'm gonna put my stop loss, I don't know, maybe above this this high. Only because, you know, if just in case, and I'm gonna still add the position. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. We'll see how the price action will develop, and I will keep you guys posted. Peace and love. Yeah, guys, a little bit of updates on this trade. Man, to be honest, I don't even know. This price action almost took off this high. It did not break it, but it's literally like equal highs right now. So I'm not sure. This is kind of a risky trade, man. Yesterday I took a trade. It's been a loss, but today I'm gonna see if it's gonna break this kind of low right here, something like that. I'm gonna enter a sell. I'm gonna enter a sell right here, something like that. And if just in case the price action will reverse, I'm gonna enter right here also. And the stop loss I'm gonna put it above this high, something like that. So we will see how everything was gonna work out. Only the reason why I'm saying that is just because this is high, so most likely the price action could come up, take this low and this low, but it could take this low also because it's double top or whatever it's called. So we'll see. I will keep you guys posted. Guys, how I said, I did enter the trade right here, yeah. So I'm gonna put my stop loss above here, but I don't put in the stop loss. I just gonna keep in mind, yeah. And I'm gonna look for something like that, 1 point something like that. And at the same time, if just in case the price action will reverse and we're gonna get back to this zone, most likely it's gonna be a break and retest. One time it did break and retest, move to the downside. I'm gonna wait right now for the break of this one, retest, move to the downside. I'm gonna keep only this position open, yeah. If just in case the price action will decide to come back here, I'm gonna enter here one more trade, and I'm gonna put my stop loss above here. And on this trade is gonna be like 1 to 4 risk to reward, almost 1 to 3.8, something like that. And 3.8 plus 1.4, which is not that bad. It's not that bad. But we will see how the price action will develop, and I will keep you posted. Guys, how I said, a small update. We going down with no pullbacks, no nothing. We break this zone, we break this zone. The price action right now might gonna start how is it called, start retesting this zone, and most likely we're gonna still hit the TP. We will see. Let me see. Yeah, we're going smoothly. You see, I didn't add no, how is it called? No any stop losses, nothing. I just keep everything in mind, keep safely, and I will keep you guys updated. We'll keep you posted, guys. But if you do like this sort of video, guys, feel free to subscribe, comment, and watch me out to the end. Yeah, guys, damn it, I couldn't record how ATP just was so fast, man. It was so fast. Look at that. Crazy movement. Crazy movement, guys. So how I say, guys, this is just normal break and retest strategy by way to meal. If you do like this sort of video, guys, feel free to subscribe to my channel, do whatever you want, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace and love. I'm out.